In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have an invisible Discord profile. If you'd like your Discord profile to appear more minimal and private, there are a few built-in settings you can adjust to reduce the amount of information other people see. While Discord doesn't offer a true invisible profile option, you can customize your profile and privacy settings to create a cleaner, less noticeable appearance. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it using the official features available in Discord. To get started, open Discord on your computer or in your web browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main screen, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open User Settings. From the Settings menu, select Profiles. This is where you can customize how your Discord profile appears to other users. If you have a profile avatar, banner, bio, or other optional profile details, you can remove or clear them to create a simpler look. Keeping these sections empty makes your profile appear much more minimal. Next, return to the User Settings menu and open the Privacy and Safety section. Review the available privacy options and disable any settings you don't want to share with other users. Depending on your version of Discord, you may also have options related to profile visibility and activity. After that, go to the Activity Privacy section. If the option is available, turn off the setting that displays your current activity as a status message. This prevents other users from seeing the games or applications you're currently using, making your account appear much quieter. Now return to the main Discord window and click on your profile in the bottom left corner. Open the Status menu and select Invisible. This makes you appear offline to other users, even though you'll still be able to use Discord normally. You can continue sending messages, joining voice channels, and using all of Discord's features while remaining hidden from your friends list. Keep in mind that selecting the invisible status only affects your online presence. It doesn't completely hide your Discord account or profile from other users. People can still view your profile if they share a server with you or receive messages from you. At the moment, Discord doesn't provide an official way to make your entire profile completely invisible. By removing optional profile details, limiting your activity visibility, adjusting your privacy settings, and setting your status to invisible, you can create the closest official version of an invisible Discord profile while staying within Discord's supported features. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.